When it comes to making your home more comfortable and energy efficient, ventilation is often an overlooked factor. Proper airflow can significantly affect your indoor environment, especially in areas with varying climates like Brandon, Manitoba. One way to enhance ventilation and improve your home's overall air quality is by installing awning windows. These versatile windows offer a unique design that not only allows for optimal airflow but also offers protection against the elements, making them an ideal choice for homeowners in Brandon. What are awning windows? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, resembling an awning. This design allows them to provide ventilation even during light rain, which is especially useful in climates where weather conditions can change quickly. Unlike other window types, such as sliding or casement windows, awning windows open at an angle, ensuring that rainwater is deflected outside rather than entering your home. How awning windows benefit ventilation in Brandon? Brandon experiences a wide range of temperatures and weather conditions, from the cold, harsh winters to the warm and humid summer months. In such a climate, managing indoor airflow is crucial. Awning windows help by promoting consistent ventilation year-round. Optimal air circulation in summer in Brandon can be warm and sometimes humid. With high temperatures and moisture in the air, good ventilation becomes essential to prevent the indoor environment from feeling stifling. Awning windows can be strategically placed to encourage cross-ventilation. When placed across from other open windows, the cool air from outside can flow through the house, pushing out the warmer air. The design of awning windows ensures that even on breezy days, air can circulate freely without being blocked by external elements such as rain or dust. Rain protection for year-round use. One of the most notable features of awning windows is their ability to remain open during rain, which is common in Brandon's spring and summer seasons. This is a significant advantage when you want fresh air inside but don't want to let the rain in. The outward opening angle of the window keeps water from entering, allowing homeowners to enjoy ventilation even when the weather isn't ideal. This can be especially helpful during light rain showers when other window types might need to stay shut. Improved indoor air quality in winter. During the cold winters in Brandon, keeping windows open for ventilation can be uncomfortable and inefficient. Awning windows, however, provide a great solution. Their tight seal when closed prevents heat loss but still allows for proper air exchange. Fresh air can enter without allowing indoor temperatures to drop significantly. In fact, many modern awning windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, helping to reduce drafts while still providing excellent ventilation. Reducing humidity indoors. In addition to improving airflow, awning windows help regulate humidity levels inside the home. Over the winter months, moisture from cooking, bathing, and even breathing can accumulate indoors, leading to unpleasant musty odors and potential mold growth. Awning windows help reduce excess humidity by allowing moisture to escape without compromising security or comfort. This feature makes them especially beneficial in the transitional months of fall and spring, when temperatures can fluctuate rapidly, and indoor humidity levels are often higher. Practical considerations for Brandon homeowners. Brandon's climate can be unpredictable, so homeowners need windows that can adapt to changing conditions. Awning windows provide a balance of flexibility, durability, and energy efficiency, making them a reliable choice for the region. Whether you're looking to improve airflow during summer or maintain a comfortable indoor climate in winter, these windows offer long-term benefits. Additionally, their aesthetic appeal is worth mentioning. Awning windows can complement both modern and traditional home designs, making them a versatile option for homeowners looking to improve both the functionality and curb appeal of their homes. Conclusion. For Brandon homeowners, maintaining a comfortable and healthy living environment is all about managing ventilation effectively. Awning windows are an excellent solution that ensures consistent airflow while protecting against rain, snow, and cold drafts. Their ability to function in all seasons makes them a wise investment for those seeking a year-round ventilation solution. With the right placement and thoughtful design, awning windows can significantly enhance the comfort and air quality of your home, making them a perfect choice for the local climate.